Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to replace the cartridge in your kitchen water tap faucet by Stylish. These instructions also work for Melfi K-147. Start by unscrewing the handle. Using an Allen wrench, loosen the screw to release the handle base. Pull the handle base outward to remove it, giving you access to the cartridge. Using a plier wrench, unscrew the cartridge counterclockwise. Once loosened, simply pull it out. Insert the new cartridge into the water tap faucet. Tighten the cartridge in place using the plier wrench. Put the handle base back in position and secure it by tightening the screw with the Allen wrench. Finally, screw the handle back into place. With these simple steps, you have successfully replaced the cartridge in your kitchen water tap faucet.